I had heard way back when I was a resident doctor, one of my cousin had gone to Aditya Jyoth Hospital then. This was maybe in 1984, 1985. And he said that I have met one of the biggest ophthalmologists of the city, and he has advised me X, X, Y, 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 and so on. That time I came to know that there is some center in Wadala which is catering to a very high profile people and doing extremely good work, highly reputed, doing good quantity of work as well as a very high quality of work, and especially the difficult cases were tackled there. That was the perception which I had got many years ago. And thereafter, when my daughter took ophthalmology and she graduated as MS from ophthalmology from Nair Hospital, I came little bit closer to the ophthalmic faculty of the city of Mumbai, and then Dr. Natarajan became a very prominent person in my mind. I remember Dr. Natarajan is the third generation of medical doctors in his family. And what I remember, I have attended a couple of CMEs of ophthalmology because of Dr. Natarajan. Dr. Natarajan became emeritus professor over here. Dr. Natarajan has taken, with the help of his foundation, that is Kamala Sundar Foundation, and way back it was Aditya Jyoth Hospital, ophthalmology to what is called as community ophthalmology and preventive ophthalmology. When I used to travel via Dharavi, I used to see a center of Aditya Jyoth in the midst of hutments of Dharavi, where they catered to the poorest of poor population, looking after what is called as preventive ophthalmology. So this Kamala Sundaram Foundation and Aditya Jyoth Hospital in particular has taken extensive pains in the city of Mumbai. They have got branches now in Mulund and other places. But what they have been doing is detecting glaucoma, detecting problems in retina on a mass scale, and probably the only ophthalmology center in the city of Mumbai, maybe in state of Maharashtra, is having a largest data of XYZ disease, and that is Aditya Jyoth. That much I can tell you. And Dr. Natarajan is now fully devoted to education in ophthalmology. He is fully devoted to training of the resident doctors, junior residents of the city of ophthalmology, and he is the person who's extremely connected all over the world. That somebody is speaking in his CME from Poland, somebody is speaking from Germany, somebody is showing some live surgery from XYZ corner of the world. So Dr. Natarajan is known all over the world, and this is one of his venture in LTMMC. We have offered him an honorable emeritus professorship, and he regularly comes and teaches the resident doctors, and he is extremely interested in teaching, and this is one of his endeavor, the CME which he has organized over here. I am forced to go for another CME, so I will take this opportunity to declare the CME open over here and thank Dr. Natarajan and all heads of the departments of ophthalmology in the city of Mumbai who have come all the way over here with their residents to get some new messages in ophthalmology. Thank you so much.